Utah students are crucial to the state's future now more than ever.
You've accomplished more than we could have ever imagined.
You've navigated new learning environments and experiences during major world changes.
You've come so far this year, and we want to celebrate you.
And what better way to do that than with the Keys to Success Assembly?
Keep watching so you can win awesome prizes while pursuing your purpose with the Keys to Success program.
By the end of the school year, Keys to Success will have given away millions in scholarship and thousands of prizes.
Plus, one student will even drive away with a brand new car.
Make sure you have a Keys to Success account and the app downloaded right now.
Keys to Success.
Keys to Success.
Keys to Success.
Pursue your purpose.
Pursue your purpose.
Pursue your purpose.
Pursue your purpose.
Welcome to KTS News, the 10-time self-nominated Best News Show to help prepare Utah students for their future.
Today's episode is a special edition. We are broadcasting for the first time statewide. We are your hosts, Valeria Jimenez
and Crystal Martinez, with special musical guest Emma Checkitz.
Usually we're in your school 6 times a year. Because we couldn't do that this year, we relied on some incredible people to make the Keys to Success program possible at your school. Your key contacts and student reps. Look at all those beautiful faces.
Keys to Success is so grateful to have such amazing people motivating, connecting, and rewarding their students. You know who you are.
We will be recognizing our key contacts and student reps individually on our social media throughout April. Check it out at KTS Utah.
Keys to Success would also not be possible without the help of our 2 title sponsors, Ken Garff and Mountain America Credit Union. We have our KTS News correspondent, Caitlin Thomas, with them right now to talk about some exciting opportunities. Caitlin, take it away.
Thanks, Crystal and Valeria. I'm here with Jason Frampton, Market President at Ken Garff. I'm Brittany Forbush, Assistant Vice President of Public Relations for Mountain America Credit Union. Let's start with Jason. Jason, why is supporting education in Utah so important to you?
You know, the Garff family have always had a special place in their heart for education. We've found that education gives people opportunities. And as a member of our community, it's so important for us to do all we can to give as many opportunities as we can.
That's incredible. And I hear that you guys are giving away free oil changes to 10 lucky Utah students who are tuning in right now.
We are. All they need to do, go to the Keys to Success Utah account, navigate to the Prizes tab, and use your points to win an oil change.
That is incredible. So wait, can I have one?
No.
Okay, well, moving on. Let's go to Brittany. Hi, Brittany.
Hello.
Why is supporting education in Utah so important to you?
Yeah, education really provides the foundation for future successes, and it helps us ensure that we have strong communities. Through the Keys to Success program, students learn how to set and achieve goals, which helps them go on to finish their education and be successful in their career. So it's really important.
That's incredible. We couldn't agree more. So we hear that you guys are giving away 4 $2,000 scholarships to students this year.
Yes, we are awarding 4 $2,000 Mountain America Credit Union Keys to Success scholarships. We're talking a $2,000 scholarship to the student's school of choice, and all Utah high school students are eligible to apply.
That's amazing. I mean, students, did you hear that? To any school of your choice. So tell us, Brittany, how can students apply?
Yeah, so set up an account at ktsusutah.org or download the Keys to Success app. In the scholarships tab, search Mountain America $2,000 scholarship, click apply, and fill out the form, and you're set.
It's so easy. So students, be sure to go onto the app, look for both Brittany's opportunity and Jason's opportunity. Again, we're so grateful to have both of you here with us, and we're grateful for the support that you're giving to students and to the Keys to Success program. With that, we'll go back to the studio to Crystal and Valeria.
Thank you, Caitlin. Those are some really awesome opportunities. Each month, we give you a chance to earn extra points for prizes by unlocking the Master Key in the Keys to Success app.
April and May Master Keys are all about thanking our awesome sponsors. If you want to earn some extra points, log into your Keys to Success account and click the Master Key button on your My KTS homepage.
Master Keys are so easy to access. When you earn points by completing the Master Key, you can use them to redeem awesome prizes.
The app offers tons of prizes: Wendy's, Costa Vida, Waffle Love, Actually, let's take a moment to recognize all of them. Valeria, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's do it. As you engage with the Keys to Success program, you can choose from awesome prizes available in the app. These prizes include an unlimited fun pass at Boondocks, a $20 gift card to Shields, a free Chick-fil-A combo meal, a $150 photo shoot at Mardell Photography, admission for 2 at Onstage Ogden, a free Costa Vida entree and drink, admission for 2 at Tuacahn,
Oh, Romeo, Romeo, we're out though, Romeo.
free laser tagging at Provo Beach, admission for 2 at Thanksgiving Point, a $150 photo shoot at Masterpiece Images, a free Chuckarama adult buffet, free climbing session at iRock, 2 hours of jumping at Hang Time, a free game of bowling at Fat Cats, a free El Pollo Loco combo meal, $25 in services at Taylor Andrews Academy, a free skating or activity pass at Classic Fun Center, $25 in services at Paul Mitchell, an all-day ski pass at Deer Valley Resort, public skating for 2 at Utah Olympic Oval, a free crab and artichoke dip at Market Street Grill, free Little Caesars pizza or Crazy Bread, 6 free San Diablo churros, a free So Delicious cookie or drink, a $10 gift card to Maverick, a free Swig cookie, a free Mo Betta's mini plate, a free R&R pulled pork sandwich, $10 teriyaki grill gift certificate, a free entree at the Old Spaghetti Factory, a free Wendy's combo meal, a free Arby's Classic roast beef sandwich, a $5 gift card to Waffle Love, an hour of surfing and bodyboarding at Flowrider.
Today, we want to award you with a prize. Send us a message on Instagram at KTS Utah or on our contact form at ktsusutah.org. Tell us you saw the Keys to Success Assembly video and we will send you a prize. That's all you need to do to claim your prize.
But wait, there's more. You can find other awesome prizes such as t-shirts so you can rep Keys all day, every day, and face masks so you can be safe and stylish.
Plus, you can even use your points for a chance to win a $300 Apple gift card. Head over to the Keys to Success app right now. Remember, there's a desktop version available at ktsusutah.org.
We'll be back after this brief message from our magical Keys to Success scholarship specialist.
Keys to Success has over $160 million in scholarships and tuition waivers. Download the Keys to Success Utah app or go to ktsusutah.org to find scholarship opportunities that match your interests. Trust me, if you align with this group, it will be magical. Justin Russo here, sprinkling a little magic on you to make it extra special and join this noble organization.
Utah students finding scholarships just got even more magical.
Whoa! During this time, we would also like to recognize and thank our scholarship sponsors for making dreams come true.
Now let's take it over to our KTS News correspondent, Caitlin Thomas, for a surprise.
This is the moment a lot of you have been waiting for. We know it's been driving you crazy. Caitlin, what's going on over there?
Thanks, Crystal and Valeria. Hey, Utah students, Caitlin here, your KTS News correspondent. Every year, Keys to Success gives away a brand new car to one lucky Utah student. Normally, we would reveal the car at the Keys to Success giveaway event, but today, we're going to reveal it for you right now. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. In 3, in 2, in 1, and go. You guys, it's a Ferrari. It's a Ferrari. You're getting a Ferrari.
Wait, it's not the car!
Oh, no. Cut.
Caitlin, what is going on over there? Sorry about that, students. We must be experiencing some technical difficulties. What are the odds they are giving away a brand new Ferrari?
Well, if it's true, consider me 16 again.
It looks like the car reveal will have to take place at the Keys to Success car giveaway this June. Trust us, we are still giving away an amazing brand new car to one lucky Utah student this year.
Let's turn it over to our Keys to Success hype specialist to tell you how to become a car giveaway finalist.
I just want to explain it to you real quickly. Basically, it's called Keys to Success, and it's an app, which is really cool, but it's also a website. All you have to do is download the Keys to Success app, or go to capital KTS, lowercase utah.org, and create an account. And then the next thing you would do is search for the Keys to Success Assembly opportunity and tap interested, and then all you would do is fill out the form, which is super cool, right? Easy enough. So get to it. Get to expanding your horizons.
Wow, I mean, I know we love this program, but I think she might have outdone us. Right, Valeria? Valeria?
Yep, that's Keys.
Anyway, it's super easy to win a brand new car. Find the Keys to Success Assembly opportunity right now in the app. Check your opportunities and notification tabs.
Plus, you'll be entered to win even more prizes. By filling out the Keys to Success Assembly opportunity, you'll be entered to win a grand prize and a Mountain America Credit Union cash money prize.
The cool thing is we will be choosing a winner from each high school. You have a really good chance of winning.
Throughout the month of May, we'll be live streaming every Friday to announce the prize winners from each school and the car giveaway finalists.
To find out when your school's live stream is, stay connected with us on social media at KTS Utah and check your Keys to Success app announcements.
Well, thanks for tuning in to this special edition of KTS News.
Thanks to our amazing Keys to Success team, sponsors, and most importantly, you. Emma, take us away.
This is for all the Utah students.